Hi students, today's video is all about building a strong understanding of mass and capacity, two key measurements topics that we use in mathematics and in our daily lives. First, we will define mass and see how it helps us measure the heaviness of objects, and then we will understand capacity and why we use it to measure liquids. We will also go through common units from grams to kilograms and milliliters to liters, and after that we will show you clear and easy techniques to convert between units along with examples to help you master the process. This lesson will give you everything you need to handle mass and capacity questions confidently. Now our first question is, what is mass? It is the amount of matter present in an object, or in simple words, it is a fundamental property of matter that measures the amount of stuff in an object. We use different units to measure the mass. For example, kilograms, grams, and milligrams. We use kilograms for very heavy objects and grams for lighter objects and milligrams for very lighter objects. Look at this pumpkin. It is very heavy, so its weight must be in kilograms. Here the weight of this pumpkin is 4 kg. This is sugar. The weight of the sugar can be in grams or kilograms. Donuts are measured in grams, and these small tablets or capsules are measured in milligrams, as they are very small in size. Just like in my previous video, we learned about how to convert the units of length from one unit to another unit, so the rules are same. From larger to smaller unit, we will multiply, and for smaller to larger unit, we'll divide. So 1 kilogram has 1000 grams and 1 gram has 1000 milligrams. So to convert from kilogram to gram, we will multiply by 1000, and to convert from grams to milligrams, we again multiply it by 1000. Here is an example. Here we will convert the measurement of mass in kilograms, and we will convert them into grams. What we have to do? Yes, multiply by 1000. Now question is, convert 3 kg to grams. So we will multiply 3 by 1000 grams, and the answer is 3000 grams. If we have a decimal number, we will multiply it by 1000. We will move the decimal 3 places towards the right, and our answer will be 3500 grams. Another example, here again we have to convert from kilogram to grams, and will multiply by 1000. The question is, convert 32 kg to grams, and we will multiply 32 by 1000, and answer will be 32,000 grams. Now again a decimal number. 9.1 kg is equal to 9100 grams. Now let's learn how to convert from grams to milligrams. The rules are same. We have to convert 23 grams to milligrams, as we are converting from a bigger unit to smaller unit. We will multiply by 1000, as 1 gram is equal to 1000 milligrams. So after multiplication we get 23,000 milligrams. And in second part we have 3.9 grams. In decimal number we will shift the decimal towards the right 3 places, and our answer will be 3900 milligrams. Now another very important and very easy question. We have to convert 5 grams 124 milligrams to milligrams. Here we will change only this gram, as 124 milligram is already in milligram. So we will convert this gram to milligram by multiplying this 5 by 1000. After multiplication by 1000 we get 5000 grams, and we will add the remaining 124 milligrams into it, and the sum will be 5124 milligrams. Another very simple question. Now convert 250 milligram to gram. Now we will use the rule where we have to convert from smaller unit to bigger unit. To convert from smaller to bigger unit, we always divide. So we will divide this 250 by 1000 instead of multiplying. Now let's see. We can write it as 250 by 1000 grams. Now it has been converted from milligram to grams. Now we have to simplify this fraction now. And the simplest form of 250 by 1000 is 1 by 4 gram, or in decimal we can write it as 0.25 grams. Now we have to convert 600 grams to kilograms. As gram is a smaller unit and kilogram is a bigger unit, to convert from grams to kilograms we will divide by 1000 instead of multiplying. Let's see. 600 grams is equal to 600 by 1000 kilograms. The simplest form of this fraction is 3 by 5 kilogram, and in decimal we can write it as 0.6 kilograms. After mass, let's learn about capacity. It is the amount a container can hold. It tells us how much liquid can fit inside a container. For example, a bottle has a capacity, a bucket has a capacity, even a tank or jug has a capacity. The definition of capacity is that it is the amount of liquid a container can hold. Look at this jug. The capacity of this jug is 1000 milliliters, and the capacity of the liquid in this test tube is 120 milliliter. Capacity is measured using liters and milliliters. These are the standard units used worldwide. Milliliter is the smallest commonly used unit used for medicine, small bottles, droplets. And liter is a bigger unit used for water bottles, milk packs, soft drinks. For conversion from units from liter to milliliter, the rules are same. We will multiply by 1000. And to convert from milliliter to liter, we will divide by 1000. So this was all about mass and capacity. Don't forget to like and share my video, and also click on the bell icon for timely notification.